Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Panasonic HTB 200 home theater audio soundbar. This soundbar is very stylish, compact, fit with your TV. This one goes underneath your TV. This soundbar is total output power, 80 watts total output power. You can hook this up to your TV using HDMI ARC, optical cable and Bluetooth. Before connecting and operating or adjusting this product, please read the instruction completely. So please note that when this unit is placed in front of your TV, this unit may interfere with variation sensor, the remote control sensor, and 3D I/WS transmitter of 3D compatible device. What we want to do is we're going to unbox this stuff, check it out, and see what is inside. This is very stylish, compact HTB 200 soundbar. This is Panasonic. Nice packaging. See, this is the information. Nice. This is the remote control here, and the power cable. This is the power cable, 3-pin power cable. Wow, nice. Look at that. Very flat. Amazing stuff. Wow. Beautiful. You can see what it looks like. This one goes underneath your TV, like the color black and mixture of texture, mixture of the cloth in front of it, and you can see what it looks like. This is the power cable goes in here. You can see Dolby Audio, DTS, HDMI, Optical digital audio in. This is USB for update and HDMI ARC. Okay, and it's very flat. See what it looks like. Very nice. Just gonna bring the camera so that you can see this gear properly. So this soundbar, just gonna do some measurement with it, and this 45 centimeter from here, 45 centimeter, and the width is 14 centimeter, the width. And this is the remote control. Okay, and just open it up. Let's see the battery is using. As you can see, so you just need to remove this. If you want to remove the battery, then you need to push this a little bit to the side, then for you to be able to open it up. Here we go. So I think it's using C battery, CR See the battery is using. It's using CR2025 battery. It's what it's using. Yes, just to put the battery this way. Then go back in. Okay, so when you want to put the battery, okay, in case if you want to change the battery, what you need to do, you need to look. So if you want to replace the battery, you need to put the positive, okay, and look on the positive end on your battery. Okay, so it will go in, okay, this way. So the positive will be on the top. Okay, then you push it inside the remote. You go in. Okay, so push it inside and it's in. Okay, now what else? Put the power cable, plug it on. So this is the overview. Open power cable, connect it. So the power cable goes in here. Push it inside. I like this soundbar. It's very light. It's not heavy. Now plug it on to the power. Okay, so just gonna tell you a bit of information about this soundbar. It's very light, it's very stylish. Okay, stylish and compact, fit with Panasonic TV, control with one remote, so Bluetooth for rich music listening, 40 watts per channel, 80 watts, and it's 2.1 channel Bluetooth version. Like I mentioned, you can hook this up to your TV using optical cable. So this is ideal for Panasonic. Stream music wirelessly, enjoy music from smart or tablet in a high quality sound on your home theater system. You can easily and wirelessly stream music from this. Okay, so it goes underneath your TV. Experience dynamic lifelike sound, advanced technology. So this soundbar deserves your attention. It's really nice, very light, and it goes underneath your Panasonic TV. Okay, but I'm not quite sure. I'm just gonna check if we will go in underneath other TV or only Panasonic. This is LG TV. Okay, so this. Okay, so you need to go in underneath, not all the TV. So it goes underneath Panasonic TV. Okay, but you can see what it looks like. If you want to, whether I can go in with other TV. So depending on their TV stand. Okay, but it's built with Panasonic TV in mind. But this TV I'm showing you now is LG TV. So you can put it under every TV. Okay, so this is what it looks like. But if your TV stand is high, it can go in. Okay, so this is the overview of this soundbar. It's 2-channel soundbar, fit TV fitting, okay, stylish and compact. And this one is for Panasonic, and it's 99 quid here in UK. Very economical and affordable, and feel inspired with this soundbar. So with one remote control, you can see the remote controls. Okay, so you can use this to select Bluetooth, optical, and HDMI. Then dimmer and sound, increase the volume. This is the remote control, what it looks like. So guys, this is the unboxing and overview of this soundbar. We're going to test this audio quality in my next video. Check out my next video for the audio quality. Thank you. Peace. Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Panasonic HTB 200 soundbar. HTB 200 soundbar. This soundbar fit underneath Panasonic TV, but they can't fit in every TV, so it depends on your TV stand. This is very nice soundbar. You can hook this up to your TV using optical digital audio in or HDMI ARC, also Bluetooth. What we want to do is to do some measurements about this soundbar. So this soundbar, you can select music cinema mode with this soundbar. This is Panasonic HTB 200 soundbar, and the measurement for this soundbar from this end is 45 centimeter, and the weight is 13.5 centimeter. Okay, now, and this is the remote control. This is the remote control. Okay, you can see what it looks like. What we want to do is to show you how to hook this up and test the sound quality. To connect this soundbar, you switch it on and off. So you can see, so switch it on and off, and it's on now. Okay, and you can see the soundbar is on now. Select Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth is, once you pick the Bluetooth and the Bluetooth is flashing, you can see the Bluetooth is flashing. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to look for available Bluetooth device. Okay, so I'm going to connect this using my mobile device. And to connect it to the mobile device, what you need to do is you need to go to your mobile device setting. So go to your mobile device setting and switch on Bluetooth. Okay, go to the settings on your mobile device. Go to the connection. Okay, switch the Bluetooth on. And the Bluetooth is on. Okay, once the Bluetooth is on, you wait. Okay, and the Bluetooth is on. Okay, the next you need to do, you need to select the Bluetooth and look for available device. This device is Panasonic HTB 200. So you look, scroll and look, here we go, HTB, select on it, and Bluetooth pairing request, select pair, and it's connected. If you look, HTB 200 is connected, and if you look on the device, you will see the blue light for the Bluetooth is no longer flashing. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go to Epidemic Sound. I use Epidemic Sound, so go to Epidemic Sound and connect the audio. So this is Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound. Okay, select the trending.
Small city thinking.
Beautiful.
Get where you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party. I left.
This is nice.
I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now all the jokes on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here.
Can increase the volume. And that is on cinema, so use the remote. Now it's in music. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, need to put this back. Okay, so just need to connect it back again. So can select the volume from here as well, so switch it on and off from here if you haven't got a remote control. Okay, so it got the button here as well from the side. Okay, and select the Bluetooth. Beautiful stuff.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself.
Thank you very much indeed, guys. Thank you very much. This is nice and awesome gadget. Thank you. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Panasonic HTB 200 soundbar. This gear deserves your attention. This soundbar, you can hook it up to your TV via HDMI ARC optical cable. You can also connect it to your TV via Bluetooth device. This soundbar deserves your attention. It can go underneath Panasonic TV, but I must say, just gonna show you, if we want to check for this soundbar to go underneath your TV, you need to make sure your TV stand is a bit high. So this TV now is LG TV, so it can go underneath. So for it to go underneath this, your TV, okay, so the stand need to be a bit longer. Okay, so this is really for Panasonic TV in mind. Okay, so this is LG TV. Okay, this soundbar deserves your attention. It's very compact, very economical and affordable. It's 99 quid here in UK. You can get this soundbar from Amazon online store. Okay, you can get it from Amazon. You can also get it from a lot of store here. Just want to do some measurement with this soundbar. This soundbar from here is 45 cents. Okay, is 45 centimeter soundbar. Okay, 45 centimeter wide, and from this end diameter is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeters. So from this end to here is 45. Yeah, 45, and diameter is 14 centimeter. Okay, so this soundbar is ideal for small areas such as bedroom or kitchen. Bluetooth version 2.1 plus EDR, boasts 80 watts of dynamic audio power. The full range speaker of HTB 200 take the sound of your TV entertainment to the next level. So this take the sound of your TV entertainment to the next level. DTS Digital Surround combination with Panasonic technology to deliver clear acoustic, stereophonic effect and incredible power. This is with H.BASS function, reinforce the low frequency for amazing bass. And sound mode, so you can change the sound mode to various settings from music to cinema mode. Even with such awesome audio power, HTB has compact profile. It sits neatly underneath existing TV, and in the ideal design, it fits with Panasonic TVs. Exactly. So this gear fit with Panasonic TV. It doesn't fit in all TV. The one I showed you just now is LG TV. Okay. What we want to do is to test the audio quality of this soundbar with via computer, via the laptop. Okay. And to switch this soundbar on, this is the remote control, and it's using flat CR2. Let me check the battery. It's using, just to open up the battery remote, you just need to press it and pull. Okay, so by the side, then pull it. Okay, you can see, so it's using CR2025 battery is what it's using. Then you push it back inside. Okay, and you switch this on and off. You can also switch, if you haven't got the remote control, so you can also switch it on from the side buttons here. Okay, so you can see on and off button, increase and decrease the volume, select the input for you to change it from optical to HDMI, and also select the Bluetooth for you to connect it to Bluetooth device if you haven't got the remote control. So this is very handy. This is the remote control, and to connect this soundbar to your laptop, so you need to switch, select Bluetooth. Okay, once you select the Bluetooth, and it will start to flash looking for available Bluetooth device. Okay, you can see it's flashing. Now you need to connect this to a laptop. To connect it to your laptop, you need to go to your laptop settings. go to the settings for a laptop. So go to the home page and click and go to the settings. Once you click settings, go to Bluetooth and devices. Select Bluetooth and devices. Okay, this is Bluetooth and devices. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to add a device. Make sure that the Bluetooth is on, then select add device. And once you select add device, you need to select Bluetooth again, and it will start to look for available device. Now it's searching for available device. Okay, so this sound bar is SCH. Here we go, SCHTB 200. Select on it, and it's connecting. Device is ready to go and is connected. Okay, once it's connected, we'll show you device is ready to go, connected, music, and done. Okay, now we're going to test this audio quality using Epidemic Sound. I'm going to put up a link how you can get Epidemic Sound. If you're a content creator, Epidemic Sound is free music for you to use on your content, but it's not free. Okay, I think the first month is free. I'm going to put up a link how you can get this. So as a content creator, you put music on your contents that is allowed for you to use it. So Epidemic Sound allow you to use the audio from here. Okay, now what you need to do is go to, you can select any particular music you want. Okay, go to, if you want to select the trending or creator, this is creator pick, creators pick, and you can select any specific one. So we'll have greatest hit. This is the greatest hit. Okay, and select. See the power. Beautiful. Beautiful.
In your mouth.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you very much indeed, guys. This is nice and audio. Beautiful. Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you. Peace. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Panasonic HTB 200 soundbar. This gear deserves your attention. This soundbar is very flat. It can go underneath your TV, especially Panasonic TV. It doesn't go underneath every TV. This gear deserves your attention. It's very nice, economical and affordable. 99 quid here. This soundbar, going to do some measurements from this end to this end is 45 centimeter wide, and from this end, okay, diameter is 14 centimeter. This soundbar, you can hook this soundbar up to your TV via optical cable, HDMI ARC and Bluetooth connection. Optical cable and HDMI ARC cable are not included in the packaging, so you need to get this separately. I'm going to show you how to hook this up to your TV using optical cable. This soundbar is only 45 centimeter wide. It's compact size and ideal for small space for kitchen, bedroom, and Bluetooth version is 2.1 plus EDR. Boasting 80 watts audio, dynamic audio output with 2 full range speakers. So this contains 2 full range speakers and with acoustic sound and stereophonic effect, incredible power. H.BASS function reinforce the low frequency for amazing bass force, such as compact system. So you can select music and cinema mode. Okay, and this gear is very light, it's not heavy. What we want to do is to show you how to hook this up to your TV, and to hook it up to your TV from the back, you see, like I mentioned earlier, you need to get optical cable separate, and you can see optical digital audio in, USB for update, and HDMI ARC. Okay, so to use optical cable, you just need to connect the optical cable here where it's written optical digital audio. Okay, you can see it's in. Okay, now just gonna bring the TV. I also want to mention, before you do all this, you need to make sure the soundbar is plugged or is unplugged. Okay, now this is TV I want to use to do this is Panasonic TV. Okay, so once you plug one end to the soundbar, the other end needs to be plugged into your TV. Okay, and look on your TV where it's written digital, optical digital audio out. Okay, so and you can see it's in. Okay, this is optical cable. Now what we need to do is plug the TV to the socket and also plug the soundbar to the socket. Okay, so plug the power back on, soundbar on, and also plug your TV onto the socket. Also remember to plug your TV antenna. Now once you've done that, the next we need to do is we need to switch the soundbar on and also switch your TV on. This is the remote control for the Panasonic. Okay, so this is the remote control for the TV. Now switch on your TV. This is the TV sound, the TV audio. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to switch the soundbar on. Okay, and the soundbar is on. Okay, now select the optical on the soundbar. Select optical. So once you switch the soundbar on, you wait and select the optical. Okay. Now you can see this is the soundbar. Is okay. So select. You can see it's highlighting blue for Bluetooth. Select optical, and the change. You can see the opt is now optical. Okay. Just gonna bring you to see. So use your remote. Okay, so once you hook it up, select optical from the remote control, and also you will highlight, make sure it's showing optical on this, okay, on the soundbar. And now I can see is the music. If you can select also cinema mode, but at the moment it's in optical and the music. Now we need to look for, go to the TV, okay, and select. So we'll go to the TV settings. From your TV settings, go to select TV settings. Now scroll down to the sound. Okay, you can see the sound. Okay, the sound is showing us at the moment TV speaker. Okay, now select the TV speaker. Now scroll down to the side. You can see Bluetooth. Side again, mobile, the sound out, mobile device. Scroll down again, optical device. Select on it. And now what you need to do is increase the volume. So this soundbar is connected. What you need to do now, so if you use the remote control to increase the volume, you won't see anything. If you look on the TV, this is to show you that now it's connected to this TV. And what I'm going to do is just to move this from this where it is at the moment, so that then increase the volume. So at the moment this TV is connected. Okay, so what I'm doing is just, I don't want to leave it one place. Sometimes we'll have, okay, so from the remote control, increase the volume. So use the remote control, increase the volume. So this is the audio.
Our most reliable connection ever. The speeds up to 944 megabits per second, the award-winning Amazon Aero router, and a reward card worth up to £100. Search TalkTalk for fibre for deals.
So this is how to hook this up.
TalkTalk.
The doctor brought me in and he said, you have got blood clots in your lungs. If you'd have left it a day or two longer, you wouldn't be here anymore. You've always got in the back of your mind when you've been through something like that.
The reason I'm moving this up and down, I don't want to leave it one place. Sometimes
so why wouldn't
you talk about copyright issues.
You can for your babies.
So this is the
Parents, get half term ready with 10.
Okay, so this is how to hook this up to your TV.
Free card your kids can personalize
You can change it from music to cinema.
at gohenry.com.
Okay,
Get into cycling this spring with this Muddy Fox
Beautiful stuff.
mountain bike. Now $149.99. Shop the full range today at studio.co.uk.
Why do so many people say yes to weight loss with Jane Plan? Let's see. No,
see, beautiful. This is the audio.
No more big shops. All my meals are delivered to my door.
Thank you very much, guys. This is how to hook this up to your TV using
No brainer. This nutrition
optical cable. Thank you. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is Panasonic HTB 200 soundbar. This gear deserves your attention. This is very light, very economical and affordable. This soundbar is very compact, very stylish. This one goes underneath your Panasonic TV. but I'm afraid it doesn't go underneath all the TV. Okay, I just want to show you for you to be aware. So it doesn't go underneath every TV. Depend on your TV stand. Ideally is built for Panasonic TV in mind. Okay, so this TV is LG TV. This soundbar is very light, it's not heavy, and it's 45 centimeter wide. 45 centimeter from this end to here is 14 centimeter. Okay. This soundbar, this is the remote control, and it's using CR battery, CR205. Let me open it up and make sure I'm telling you that. Okay, so the battery is using is CR2025 battery. Panasonic battery is what is using CR, but you can use other batteries as well. Okay, and I want to show you how to hook this soundbar to your TV using HDMI cable. If you check my video, see how we connected this soundbar using optical cable, and now I want to show you how to hook this up using HDMI cable. And HDMI cable and optical cable are not included in the packaging, so you need to get this separate. I'm going to put up a link how you can get this. This soundbar is very light and it's with Dolby Audio, Panasonic technology, DTS, HDMI, and connection optical. This is USB for service and HDMI ARC. Okay, now to hook this soundbar up, just want to tell you a bit of information about it. Like I mentioned earlier, it's very stylish. This soundbar is DTS Digital Surround combined with Panasonic technology to deliver clear acoustic stereophonic effect and incredible power. This soundbar is with 80 watts audio power. Bluetooth means you can pair this gear with any smart device in an instant and stream music. So check my video. We connected this soundbar with PC, laptop, and test the audio quality. We also connected this soundbar to mobile device. This is for small space, really, ideally for your kitchen or bedroom. Okay, so you can put this for your TV in your bedroom or in your kitchen area. So it's very small, okay, and very dynamic gear. It boasts 80 watts dynamic audio power, and it also got 2 speakers, okay, 2 full range speakers, and take the sound of your home entertainment to the next level. Okay. Now what we want to do is basically to hook this up to your TV. You need to make sure unplug everything, unplug the soundbar, and use the HDMI cable. You can see HDMI ARC. Okay, so plug it in, and it is in. Okay, this is how to hook this up. Now this end we need to hook it, so you can hook this with any TV. So now I want to connect this with LG TV. Okay, and this, so this end, okay, goes to HDMI into EAC. Push it inside, and this end, okay, see, so one end to the soundbar and the other end to the back of your TV. HDMI into EAC. Okay, now also remember to connect your TV antenna. Once you've done that, so TV antenna. Now the next we need to do is we need to plug in the soundbar and the TV to the power. So plug in the soundbar and also plug in the TV. Okay, and this both of them are in. Now what we need to do is we need to use the remote control and switch the soundbar on. So switch the soundbar, and once you switch it on, then you wait, the light will show, and the light is, you can see the light is showing, and it's showing optical and music. So we need to use the remote control and select HDMI ARC. okay, and now you change to HDMI ARC. Okay, you can see just gonna bring, so use the remote control, okay, change it. You can also, if you haven't got the remote control, you can also select the function, okay, from the side here. So you can select, can switch it on and off from here, increase and decrease the volume. Input is for you to select optical or HDMI. Selecting input, then you can see that this button is for Bluetooth. Okay, use input to change between, to alternate between optical and HDMI. Okay, but you can do this using your remote control. So now the next we need to do is, so we already selected HDMI and music, so you can change the music to cinema, but at the moment you can see it's in HDMI ARC and music. Okay, now we need to switch the TV on. So switch the TV and wait.
Just an absolute mess.
And this is the TV.
I'm not getting nowhere with it, I don't even know where.
So this now is connected. Okay, so it's connected. If you go to your TV settings, select your TV setting, okay, then scroll down to TV, and it's showing us now. If you look here, you will see it's showing us HDMI ARC device. Okay, so this is how to hook this up. If it's not HDMI ARC device, you can also select HDMI and then look for, if you are connecting it to optical, then you need to look for optical. But at the moment, what is in here is now HDMI ARC device. Okay, so this is the audio, and you can move it to any particular channel you want.
Never predict the outcome.
Cover today are the only.
So this is the audio. If you use the remote control to increase the audio, you won't get anything. So you need to use Panasonic audio, okay, for you to control the audio.
Something much more interesting. To find out more about Cover Today,
So this is the audio.
On 0800 970 1249 or visit covertoday.co.uk.
This is nice.
Why do so many people say yes to weight loss with Jane Plan?
Now, if you want to change the sound, okay, can change the sound. Okay, this is now in cinema. Okay,
No doubt about it. I lost.
so if you press the sound, it will alternate. It will alternate between music and cinema when you press the sound using the remote control. You can also select dimmer. You can also mute, increase and decrease the volume. Okay, so guys, this is how to hook this up using HDMI ARC. If you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Panasonic SC HTB 200 soundbar. This is very stylish compact soundbar with Dolby audio, DTS, HDMI. You can hook this up to optical cable, HDMI ARC, and Bluetooth connection. This soundbar is very light. It's not heavy. This soundbar can go underneath Panasonic TV. I'm going to show you, it doesn't go underneath all the TV, so it depends on your TV size. Okay, yeah, it depends on your TV stand size. Okay, you can see this is LG TV, so you need a longer stand. This soundbar is built for Panasonic, but it can work with any other TV. Okay, now just do a bit of measurement. The measurement, this is 45 centimeter wide soundbar, 45 centimeter, and from this end diameter is 14 centimeter or 13.5 centimeter. Okay. With this soundbar, got 80 watts audio output. Okay, so it's ideally for your bedroom. If you check my video, we hook this up to TV. We also hooked it up to TV using optical cable and HDMI cable. We also connected this using a mobile device. We also connected this soundbar to computer and test the audio quality. Okay, so this is really ideally for your bedroom or kitchen. Okay, so it's Bluetooth 2.1 version plus EDR, boasting 80 watts of dynamic audio power with 2 full range speakers, and DTS Digital Surround combined with Panasonic technology to deliver clear acoustic stereophonic effect and incredible power. This has H.BASS function, reinforce the low frequency for amazing bass force from such a compact system. The sound mode lets you optimize audio setting depending on what you want to watch exactly. So you can select the sound using the remote control to change it from cinema to music. Okay, now this gear, you can connect it to a lot of Bluetooth device. Bluetooth means you can pair this with so many devices instantly and stream music wirelessly from your phone or tablet or your laptop as well. Now to connect this to your TV is what I want to show you, okay, via Bluetooth. Now, so I'm just gonna bring the TV. This is LG TV, okay, and switch the TV on to the power, and also make sure you connect the antenna. Okay, once you've done that, the next thing we need to do is we need to switch the soundbar on. Okay, switch the soundbar on, and once you switch it on, then you wait. Now just gonna bring the laptop for you to bring the camera for you to see. Okay, so you can see at the moment is in HDMI, ARC and music. So use the optical, use the Bluetooth. Okay, select Bluetooth via the remote, or you can also select the Bluetooth from the side. So select Bluetooth pairing, and once you select it, it will change to blue color, and you can see the blue color is highlighting. You can see the blue color is highlighting, and it will make a bit of noise for you to see it change to blue color. Okay, now I also want to show you, if you haven't got the remote, so you can also select this from the side here. So this button here by the side, this is switch this on and off. So switch the soundbar on and off from here. Decrease the volume, increase the volume. Input is for you to select HDMI or optical cable. Now this button here is for Bluetooth. Okay, and you can see Bluetooth is flashing, looking for available Bluetooth device. Now we need to switch the TV on. Okay, so switch your TV and wait. And now, so go to the TV settings. Want to show you the volume for the TV. Go to your TV setting. Okay, scroll down. Okay, and it's showing HDMI ARC from the TV setting. It's showing HDMI ARC. Now, select the TV. Scroll to the side. Okay, and select TVs. I want to show you TV speaker, the voice for the TV, the audio for the TV speaker. Select OK. Now this is the TV speaker. So this is the TV speaker.
My car's parked out on the road all the time.
Okay, and now what I want to do is, now we need to select, go to the settings. Okay, scroll down to the TV speaker, select on it. Now scroll to the side and go to Bluetooth, and this is Bluetooth. Then scroll down to Bluetooth device and search. Now you see it's searching for available Bluetooth devices. Okay, so now what it's doing now, this is Bluetooth. Okay, so scroll down, we are looking for this device. This is here we go. So we are looking for this device, which is HTB 200. What we are looking. So we need to select more. So we are searching for available more other devices. Okay, so what we are looking for is Panasonic SCT 200 device. and here we go. So it picked up HTB 200, okay, and they found it. So what you need to do is select on it, and it's connecting.
Wild in the Isles will be coming up in just a moment. But
So,
first,
so this is how to hook this up.
those clocks. It is time for Ryland's Bluff. I'm going to read out.
So this is how to hook this up, and it's now connected. Okay, so I'm going to move this away from this station. So you can use the remote control to increase the volume.
Over 50s live cover.
So this is the audio, the sound.
Safe in the knowledge we'll pay out money when your time is up. UK resident 50 to 80, you're guaranteed acceptance.
So this is the audio. You can change it from music to cinema by selecting the audio.
24/7 GPS.
Selecting the sound,
Wellbeing benefits.
you change to cinema.
A £100 gift card for Amazon.co.uk, Tesco,
See
or
what it
M&S.
is.
Call post office on
So this is the audio.
2211. I'll be there. And there.
Beautiful stuff.
And there. I'll be by their side on the boat and at the station when they launch, because I have left the
So this is how to
a gift in
connect
my
this
will. My gift
to
equips and trains
Bluetooth
them to
device.
brave the waves and gives them the strength to save lives again and
Thank you
again.
very much
They
indeed,
won't
guys,
stop,
and stay
and my
blessed.
gift
Thank
will
you.
keep them safe. Will you keep them safe too?